Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I'm going to be using this I Heart Revolution coffee palette that you just seen in my TJ Maxx haul. So I was really excited to use this. I put on my favorite pink shirt. This is my favorite just because I like this shade of pink. And I think that this palette will kind of go with this pink. So I want to use this palette. I don't know what colors I'm going to use from here, but when I first started doing makeup, my thing was to basically blend as many colors as I could into my crease and on my lid to get just like a unique color. I think I'm going to be dipping into as many colors as possible so I can see like what this pigment is like. When I swatched it, I thought everything looked good, so we're going to see and put it to the test. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be taking first this color here, which is called Cappuccino. Okay. That color you can barely see, but I think I put it down because once I put another color on there, if I need to blend out, I will be using this color for the edge. So let's try this color here, Arabica. This palette would be great to create a soft look, but I don't know if I'm going for a soft look. All right, and now I want to start blending in this color here, Mocha. And then we're gonna deepen up Mocha by adding another layer of Mocha. So just tapping back into Mocha and then adding it into the outer edge and kind of blending it into the crease. I just really like a look that fades from like dark to light. All right, now there's two colors in here. There's Macchiato and then there's Americano. So I think I'm gonna use Americano to deepen it up. And this was like my very old technique of just blending a bunch of colors. If your blend game is strong, like you can blend probably like 13 colors, no problem, and it will probably look really good. You just gotta blend the right colors. And right now, this is like the build-up stage, so. All right, so now that I have that all blended there, I'm gonna go back into Arabica, just for the outer edge actually. And Arabica was the pink that's kind of like my shirt. Right, and it has some shimmers in here. So let's see, there's Decaf, and I did swatch some of these colors during the haul. I'll swatch them again. So Decaf, Iced, and Drip. So this one is Decaf, this is Iced, and this is Drip. Okay, so I think that'd be good to transition from Decaf to Drip. and then maybe ice on my inner corner. So let's go ahead and get our brush out, and we're going to tap on decaf. I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to get that brush a little bit wet, and then just start packing this decaf on my inner corner. Okay, and then just so you see, this is decaf right here. Okay, and I'm going to take decaf out farther than I want it because I'm also going to be tapping drip on top of it so that they meet and blend in that area, and it helps them transition. Okay, let me take my finger. The shimmer shades always go better like when you use your finger. Okay. And I will use a brush because I do want it to kind of, since I'm not cutting my crease, I still want it to be neatly on my lid, so kind of use the shadow to cut my crease, and then just pat it. Okay, now we're going to take drip, which is this shade here, and that is this shade right here, and we're going to start tapping that right where, like, we're tapping it on top of decaf, but we're taking it out. And that's just because I really like it to transition from like light to like dark. And then I just took decaf to kind of pat that back, so I don't lose any of that in the when I'm transitioning right here. Okay, like that, and we're gonna go back into Americano and kind of pack that here to deepen that up because I want this to be deeper and darker on the outer edge. So just pat that, build it up just like that. So now like the outer edge is like really deep, and then you'll take mocha. So Americano was the deeper brown here, and then mocha, which is more that reddish brown, and we're gonna blend with that so that it blends into drip. And I am going into my crease, but not all the way forward. Okay. Let's see, do they don't have any brown bone colors. So I'm going to take a little bit of a smaller brush to blend this front here. And this brush had nothing on it, it was clean. All right, perfect. Now I'm gonna go ahead, go off and do my eyeliner, the rest of my face, and we'll come back and we'll pick out a lipstick from, I believe, the haul as well. So be right back. I went ahead, finished off the look, and this is what I came up with. So for my eyeliner, I used this NYX Vivid Brights, and this is Vivid Petal. So basically just a pink eyeliner to kind of do something different because usually I do black eyeliner, but I thought I'd do pink today. So then for my lips, I use the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Auto Liner. This is an eyeliner in Lasting Brown to line my lips. And over top, I use this Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid Lip in Nude Thrill. For my inner corner, I use that color Ice that I talked about, which is this shimmery purple here. It's like a light lavender color for my inner corner. And then my lower lash line, I just mixed Mocha and Java. So just the colors that I used in my crease. And this is basically how it came out. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And of course, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.